We're here at Bill's Old Tavern in Hamilton for this week's Thrill of the Grill segment with Chef Doug. Chef, tell us what we're making today.
We're going to make chicken Mancini.
All right, well, sounds good. Let's get started.
All right, first step. We have a saute pan, get it nice and hot. Put a little olive oil. Get that working. Then we're going to dredge our chicken in flour. Very easily. You can put 2 pieces, 4 pieces. You can cut the pieces in half if you like. Then we're just going to quickly saute them. Okay, now while the chicken's sauteing in the pan, getting brown, take your roasted red peppers, just run your knife through them about a 1/4 inch thick. Then go halfway through, so you get kind of a julienne, but a little thicker, not too big pieces, so they're kind of bite-sized. Now we're going to turn the chicken over. Got a nice color on both sides. At this point, we're going to add some fresh garlic to the pan. You want to get that just a little golden brown. Now we're going to add about a cup of white wine. Move it around. And some chicken stock. Okay, now we're going to add the roasted peppers. Distribute them evenly. And the fresh basil. At this point, you want to season it liberally. We use kosher salt and black pepper, fresh cracked black pepper. And slowly incorporate whole butter. And let this come to a simmer. Okay, final step. We're going to add slices of mozzarella cheese. And let it come to simmer for about 4 to 5 minutes till the cheese comes nice and melted.
All right, well, that seemed pretty quick to prepare, and it smells and looks delicious. Thanks so much for showing us how it's done. From Bill's Old Tavern in Hamilton, I'm Kelly Cart with Chef Doug for this week's Thrill of the Grill.
And for a complete recipe, just log on to WZBN.com and click on Thrill of the Grill. Thrill of the Grill is presented by Bill's Old Tavern. Great food, great price, great friends. Bill's Old Tavern at the 5 Points in Mercerville.